Hi, I'm Andy Mosley, Commercial Director at CEF, the UK's leading multi-channel distributor. Let's talk about CEF Live 2023. It's the UK's largest electrical event where you can keep up to date with the latest industry trends and regulations, discover new products and innovations, and build your CPD credits by attending a tech talk presented by Darren Staniforth and Dave Austin and supported by the IET. It's also designed to be fun with interactive games and competitions, exclusive on-the-day deals, and a chance to race against BSB champion Taryn McKenzie. The Vargo stand at CEF Live is a must-see, showcasing the full range of Vargo products. They're fast and easy to fit, whilst being maintenance-free. In addition to this, the Vargo product range is much larger than people often realise, and it's all there to see at CEF Live. Exclusively for CEF Live, the first 50 customers onto the Vargo stand each day will win a free Vargo connector case worth over £240. The growing partnership between Vargo and CEF offers electricians a wide range of products, technical expertise and support, coupled with availability and convenience. Additionally, CEF and Vargo are supporting the electrical industry's charity, donating 1p for every box of 221 series connectors sold through CEF stores. For more information on CEF Live 2023, visit ceflive.co.uk and register now. It's totally free. Free parking, free entrance, free refreshments and free calibration. With over 85 leading brands, CPD accredited tech talks, and if that wasn't enough, all visitors receive a £50 voucher to spend online at cef.co.uk.